Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Fred here from Detail Guard. Today we're at Soul Dental Studio. It's a beautiful new dental clinic that just opened up here in Oakville, Ontario. So the owner, Richard, had explained to us some of his pain points and some of his concerns about the increasing break-ins that are happening in the area. So he gave us a call a few weeks back and we did a complete audit of the storefront here and concluded that we're going to be installing our 14 mil security film. It's our thickest and staple security film solution to help prevent and deter those break-ins from happening. So I want to quickly show you guys exactly what we've done so far and some of the challenges that we've had to face to get some of this film on. So first and foremost, as you can see, floor to ceiling windows, 4 feet wide, roughly about 9 feet in height. The toughest window to install as of so far in this project has been this one, for the obvious obstruction. We managed to do a back roll method here and applied the window film. Because it's a 14 mil security film, very thick, it does require a lot of pressure to make sure that the visibility is going to be consistent throughout. And when you're dealing with a big pane like this, and you have that consistency, it can be quite challenging. So there's obviously a little bit of skill there involved and a very high level of attention to detail, which is what we specialize in. And I'm also gonna show you really quick in the consultation room. Over here, we've got some beautiful decorative film over here. This is the 3M gradient film, which is what we will be reapplying in this room over here. So this here is, again, as I mentioned, the decorative film. It's a beautiful gradient film. So we wanna keep it consistent with this door over here, right? So the idea is now, if you're gonna be installing security film, you cannot put it on top of film. The way security film works is it adheres to the actual glass surface, and that's where you're gonna get your protection. If you were to double up film, that's fine, but the security film portion has to be the one that's directly on the glass surface. So what do we do in this case? We're gonna peel this guy back, we're gonna strip this film right off, and then we're gonna prep this surface, apply the window film. As you can see on the right here, we've got the films ready to go. Once the films are on, we're going to reapply a new film roll of the gradient, cloud gradient from 3M. As you can see, we've got it on both sides here, so this should be really exciting. I'm very, very excited to bring this to fruition. So now that we've protected the windows here at Soul Dental Studio, we've gone ahead and applied the security film. We've applied the decorative foam to match with the studio swinging doors. We've then gone on and sealed off these edges with the Dow 995 structural sealant, which is an imperative step to have the effectiveness of that security foam actually perform in a tough situation. Now that this is all being wrapped up, Richard and his staff can feel better, have more peace of mind that their business is now protected day and night. So if you're looking for a way to protect your home, your business, or whatever matters most, feel free to give us a call. Number's 905-334-4144. You can also shoot us an email at info@detailguard.ca. Or if you have any questions at all, if you're just curious, that's what we're here for. Thank you guys very much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.